Okay, so today we're going to learn how to create some realistic chalkboard looking text just like that you're seeing here. So before we get started, we need to download and install a kindergarten font. Now you can find that in our download section by clicking on the downloads tab and then scrolling down, and you'll see that there's a font back one here. Now you can click on the link or on the picture and then that will get you to download a zip file. Save that and extract it, and then extract it to your location depending on what program you have, and then open a picture of a chalkboard. And I just did a Google search for chalkboard and found this one, and then we're just going to use our text tool with the foreground color white and our kindergarten font selected. And just going to type in some text quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to position that there. Now what we want to do is want to right click on that layer and select rasterize type, and then just duplicate that layer and hide the below layer. Now all we need to do is go into filter, noise, add noise. Now the settings we want to use here, I like to use 60% uniform and monochromatic, and then I'm just going to hit OK. And then to make it a bit more realistic, we're just going to go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur, and just blur it with a radius of about 0.2 or 0.3 or 0.5. So let's say 0.5. Then just to make it a bit more realistic, you can go into edit, transform, and warp, and now you just move these points a little just so that it's not exactly on a straight line type thing. So just like that, move these around, and then that will give it like a sort of more naturally written type text. So I'm just going to give that a tick. Now if we zoom out, you can see that it'll look like it's actually been handwritten. So that's basically it. I hope this has been a help to you, and thanks for watching. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to create this quick and easy drain hole abstract effect here. So first thing I want to do is create a new image. So I'm just going to create one 400 by 400 and then hit OK. And just want to fill the background with black using the paint bucket tool. And then we want to go into filter, render, lens flare, and we just wanted to make sure we're using the movie prime, and we want to select 100% and just position it so that the two lines are just like that, and then hit OK. Then what we want to do is go into filter, distort, and ripple, and probably want to ripple it at about 150%. So I'm just going to hit OK for that. Then what we want to do is go into filter, sketch, chrome, and then the settings we want to use here, you can play around with it. I'm going to use detail 8 and smoothness 2, and then just hit OK. Then what we want to do is we want to distort it with a 12. Now you can use it at 50 degrees or 100 degrees. It's really up to you, so I'm just going to select 100. Then what we can do is go into image, adjustments, hue and saturation, tick colorize, turn the saturation right up, and then you can just pick a color that you want to use and then hit OK. So that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. I hope this has been a help to you. Thanks for watching.